Hello, Mr. President William Ruto. Please don't be very much disappointed. In fact, Kenyans never disappoint. It is just a slight deviation from your expectation. You inherited a system, a rotten system of governance, a system of corruption, a system of nepotism, a system of lies, a system of extrajudicial killings. Mr. President, maybe the problem is not you. Kenyans are calling for a total system change. That maybe was not your expectation. Do not lose self-esteem. Please, Mr. President, let Kenyans have their way. A total system overhaul. That is what Kenyans are calling for. Possibly, it is not about you. Don't be very much disappointed. Gen Zs never disappoint. The evolution is real. The revolution is real. Mr. President, heed to this. A total system overhaul is what we want. System free from corruption. System free from nepotism. System free from impunity. System free from extrajudicial killings. A system free from unlawfulness. We need good governance, Mr. President. We need a new system. Hello, Mr.